G'day folks, Tom from Bike Biz Motorcycles here. Now we all love a classic, especially when it's from Kawasaki. Whether it's a two-stroke from the 1970s like this bike stood in front of me, or a four-stroke from 2022 like the Z900RS, Kawasaki do a brilliant job in bringing the old school to the new school. Now the reason I say that is because the colour scheme from this motorcycle, which is candy tone blue, is replicated off the original 1975 Z1B machine. Now I cannot wait until we can take the box off this crate and jump into some of the specifications and features that it has to offer. Now, as an old school bike lover myself, the Z900RS truly ticks all the boxes for a modernised classic. If you are looking for a vintage style motorcycle with a modern twist, a classic colour scheme and a reliable motor that packs a serious punch, the Z900RS is a combination of them all and much more. When you sit on this machine, it truly does have the style and feeling of a classic motorcycle from the 70s. With its comfortable thick leather seat, classic candy tone blue colour scheme with stylish gold stripes, and the familiar and simplistic styling of the analog dials mixed with the digital instrument panel, this motorcycle screams cafe racer style with old school features. This bike also comes with rounded mirrors, multi-spoke alloy wheels, a 4-into-1 exhaust system with a chrome finish, and a fantastic teardrop fuel tank. Some modernised features within this motorcycle includes its assisted slipper clutch, Kawasaki traction control, ABS, it comes with a round LED headlight, eco riding indicator and a horizontal backlink rear suspension. The Z9 has a powerful 948cc inline 4-cylinder engine that produces 111 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. It weighs in at 215 kilos and has a seat height of 835 millimeters and comes with a 17-litre tank. To me, the best way to describe this bike is that it is simple and stylish on the outside and a demon on the inside. When I look at the Z900RS, it takes me back to a time when bikes were transitioning into actual animals on the road and pieces of art in the home. It's an era my dad and uncles talk about, full of enjoyable memories, and one I personally love to be a part of in this modern age. And I'm happy to know I can still enjoy the style of the classic Z900RS without the pain of kickstarters, carby engines, leaking oil, and random electrics. Even though that is a fun and hardship of a classic motorcycle lover, it's nice to have a motorcycle of similar classic status with future technology advantages. There you have it folks, the 2022 Kawasaki Z900RS machine is finally here. If you're looking for an old school bike but with all the new gizmos and gadgets, then this is a machine that is definitely worth looking at. They're absolutely fantastic in person and they ride like no tomorrow. So make sure you give one of our sales representatives a call. I'll leave the number in the comment section below. You can also check them out online. I'm Tom from Bike Biz Motorcycles and I'll see you on the next video.